Hello, everybody. Today we are looking at constructive criticism. There are some people who will bring to your life what I call constructive criticism. As a leader, you must know that you are not perfect, and there are people who will bring to you constructive criticism. And I call these people your partners. Not everybody who criticizes you is your enemy. There are some people who will bring constructive criticism, and you must be humble enough as a leader to listen to them, because these are the people that are looking at the same issue from a different point of view. And if you give them your ear to listen to them, you will find that your things will start moving great. These partners are always there to help you to go to your place of great leadership. And you must start knowing in your life who is there to help you to your place of leadership. And you must give them your attention, because these people, they are giving you criticism and it is constructive. And once you put those things in place, you find that the world will rejoice over your greatness, not knowing that it was the input of your partners, people who you trust, that can help you, that has caused you to become the great person that you are. The journey to greatness is not a lonely journey. It is a journey that you meet people who know things better than you, who understand things from a different point of view, who can make things easier than you look at them. And you must be able to know them and listen to them. And once you start listening to these partners of yours, you will find that your life will become a great leader. I also want to assure you that if a person is criticizing you to pull you down, to disgrace you, that one is not your partner. But there are people who come, I call them destiny makers, who just come to give you constructive criticism. They show you where you are wrong, they give you options on how you can do it better. And you listen to them, and it will take your humility. One of the marks of a man who is becoming a great leader is you must be humble enough to accept that I can't do everything the best. There are some people who are better than me. There are some people who are wiser than you. That's the mark of a person who is becoming greater as a leader. Thank you very much as you ponder over these thoughts. Bye.